Hello and welcome to the Graco Education Center. Now that you have primed your sprayer, you are ready to start spraying. As always, before we start, be sure you've read your manual and are familiar with the warnings and safety information. When it comes to achieving a professional-looking finish, knowing how to correctly spray can make the difference between an average paint job and one that you can show off. Following these simple painting techniques will help you achieve the finish you demand. If you need help getting your sprayer primed and set up for spraying, check out these videos. Start by setting the speed control to the lowest available setting and work your way up. Ensure your spray tip is fully installed and rotated to the spray position. Disengage the trigger lock and turn the power switch to on. Before starting the spray, test out the spray pattern on a piece of cardboard or scrap material. Pointing at a piece of scrap cardboard, pull the trigger to test the spray pattern. As you look at your pattern, you might need to adjust some things to achieve your desired results. You'll want to stay about 12 inches from the surface. Hold the spray gun perpendicular to the surface and overlap each pass by approximately 50%. The speed at which you move the spray gun will also influence the spray pattern. These two finishes show the results of moving too fast and too slow. Keep a steady pace that shows solid paint coverage. Again, overlap each pass by approximately 50%. This will give you the best finish. Depending on your project, you can rotate the spray tip to a vertical or horizontal position. Walls are generally best sprayed horizontally, while doors and other tall areas can be sprayed vertically. Tails are not a desired pattern and usually happen when the speed control is set too low. Slowly turn the pressure up until you get a consistent fan pattern. This could also be a sign of tip wear. Paint wears spray tips over time, so if adjusting pressure doesn't help, it might be time to replace the tip. Now let's actually spray. For each pass, hold the gun slightly beyond the area you want to spray. Begin moving your gun and then squeeze the trigger while the gun is in motion. Likewise, don't stop the gun's motion when you release your trigger. Instead, release the trigger while the gun is still in motion. This technique prevents blotches of thick coating at the beginning and end of each stroke. To maximize efficiency, when spraying on broad open surfaces, such as ceilings and bare walls, spray the outside edge first. Then aim at the middle of the previous pass, overlapping each new pass by 50%. When spraying in side corners, spray vertically rather than horizontally. And remember to turn your sprayer off when not spraying. Thanks for visiting the Graco Education Center. We're always here to help.